Welcome, welcome, one and all to the land of death. Trinity to the bone, Trinity to the bone.
Quick tutorial on how to make Chow Chow, aka mother-in-law, aka whatever name you want to call it. All right, so we have our blender here, good size, little round bowl here. We're gonna start with the seasoning part of it first, which we're gonna use bandana, garlic, and your hot pepper of choice. Our hot pepper of choice today is from Trini Yorker stash, secret stash. So big up Yorker. All right, these are your peppers going in the mother-in-law mix. All right, so here we go. Drop this in. All right, gonna blend this up real quick, and then we'll add in other ingredients. All right. Push it. Yep, that's hot pepper, Yorker. Woo! Good Lord. Whew. See how I'm like keeping my distance because that's some heat. Wow. But it's good pepper, guys. Real good. Flavorful, but hot. Call the fire department because it's hot. All right, just gotta blend up a little more. Line this thing up. All right, here we go. It's about ready. Whew, keeping my distance, keeping my distance. A little bit more, we should be good to go. Nah, you know what, it looks good. All right, so our other ingredients to make our mother-in-law, all right, mango, but if you don't have mango, you can use apple, you can use pumpsite, or however you call it, golden apple. There's many different names for that as well, guys. The substitute, if you don't have mango. We like to use mango. Onion, radish, and carrots. All right, so I'm gonna do part by part, ingredient by ingredient, and then just keep going. Nope. I have to keep checking it because I can't see it from the sides of the... Okay. All right, that's what it's looking like. So you want it chunks and stuff. Rest this here. I'm gonna take my little spoon here, dish it out. If you keep pulsing it too much, you're gonna start pureeing it. So you want it to have like chunks and stuff. You don't want it to be liquid. Now I love this. Like if we have leftovers after whatever it may be, whether it's Diwali, whether it's we're having prayers, keep this. This does not get thrown out at all because I like dousing this on like rice and beans and stuff and mixing it. God, I love that. My son does too. We just load it up. This stuff is excellent. All right, start a fresh new batch here. Oops. There we go. I'm gonna continue with the mango. After I put my blade back in. So we should be able to get the rest of the mango here, and then we'll start with another ingredient. So we're gonna continue to blend this up. Well, not blend, pulse it up. And we'll get back to you guys in a little bit. So if you're very patient and like to cut up stuff and you like to clean stuff like Shy Girl does, then you can cut it up and not blend it up. But guess what? Me, that's too much work, yes? So I just gonna blend it up. So I don't have that kind of patience. So not that I don't have patience in general, but I don't have that kind of patience. So, but Shy Girl, give her the props. She's the boss. Boss cook. All right, so now we're gonna do, which one do you guys think? Radish, onions, let's go with the onions. So maybe I'll start crying now. Right, the blade. How many of you guys like to eat onion raw? I like to eat onion raw. Shy Girl always gets on me and stuff too, because whenever we're cooking and stuff, I'm always grabbing pieces and eating like this, and I always got to be like making sure she's not looking and eat an onion. I love it. Just same as bell peppers too, guys. I love to snack on bell peppers. All right, that's good. That's our onions. We're gonna get this going, just like our mango and the seasoning. Now I like to pause in between because I don't want it to keep going and it's blending up too much. Every ingredient has different texture. Yeah, a little more. Yeah, that's good. Piece of like skin there. Boom. All right. Onions. However you guys want it to look. If you do it by hand, maybe you won't have it to where it's all these like different kind of pieces. It's more like cubed and stuff. Like I know when Shy Girl cuts it up, like the carrots are these nice little fine little squares, cubes. So it looks nice. All right. Onions. So I have to ask Shy Girl next time. We usually use regular onions, but I should ask her next time if you'll get more flavor or if you could do red onions. We'll see. Next time I see her, I have to ask her. So I know red onions pack a different kind of flavor, so I'd like to try that maybe next time. All right, our handy dandy blade. Let's go with radish. All right. I know when I was a kid, my grandma used to make salads all the time, and we always had radish slices. I was never a huge fan, but I ate it because when we were kids, we were brought up like, you know, you're gonna eat it and you're gonna like it basically. You know, that's what's for dinner. So I ate it. It wasn't bad. It's got a bitter taste, guys, but it's not an unpleasant bitterness. All right, let's do this. This might get a little loud. Oh, no. Voila. Actually, I like the color in this. It's like the pinks and the reds and the white. It's Valentine's Day already. All right. Bam. Clean that blade off a little bit there. This will give it color because there's nothing but yellow and white in there right now. I'm gonna add the nice pinks and the reds. And everybody makes their mother-in-law differently. Chow Chow. I always call it Chow Chow, but I know it also has mother-in-law. Everyone does it differently, different ingredients. To me, as long as it's got the heat, I don't mind. All right, I'm gonna finish scooping this out, and then we'll get to the carrots. Storming outside all of a sudden now. There's a lot of wind and rain, but if you guys ever notice with Diwali, it's always windy. We'd always have trouble lighting diyas all the time on Diwali day because the wind would blow them out. All right, carrot time. One more time. Let's see. And one more. I see a couple pieces a little bit too big in there. One last time. And we're done. So boom, carrots done. We'll scoop this out. And then we're gonna mix up our ingredients here. Check it out. We're done pulsing everything. So we have carrots, we have the radish, onions, the mango, all right, and our seasoning is underneath, okay? So before I mix this up, you guys are gonna need 1 lime, right? I went ahead and got the squeezer here because I don't like to waste the limes, and my strength is only so strong. I'm not He-Man. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the, not rinse, but squeeze the lime. So there's 1/2, all right, I'm gonna dump that. And then the other half. Okay, dump that, leave that to the side. You're gonna need some black pepper. All right. And some salt. Okay, we're gonna mix that up real good. Check out all the color. This is another reason why I actually like Chow Chow / mother-in-law. So for example, when you're having some rice, and let's say it's karhi or rice, and let's say, you know, chana and aloo or something, right? Put some of this on top of it. Now your presentation, it looks beautiful. What you're eating, you're like, wow, look at that, it looks beautiful. Instead of just white from the rice, and then you got like the yellow from the karhi. It's like, oh, even though you know it's good, but this makes it taste better, and it gives it that nice color, guys. I'm gonna mix this really, really good because I want all those flavors and everything to combine. And you know it's gonna have heat. And it's got those hot, hot peppers from Trini Yorker's pepper stash, should I say. So all the way from New York / Jersey, hot peppers. Good stuff, guys, good stuff. All right, what do you guys think? Does it look done? It's looking done to me. All right, let's try it out. Ooh, excited, excited. Ooh. Give you a little something there, guys. Ooh, that's got some heat, guys. That has got some heat. Wow. But you know what? It's perfect. It's not overbearing. I can't wait to have some of this when I eat tomorrow. I'm telling you right now, this is what you guys need. When you're fasting, all right? And when you're not fasting, you know what? Make some of this when you're not fasting, right? Put it in with some rice and beans or whatever. Gives it that color, gives it the flavor, gives you that kick, that bang. Guys, thanks for joining us on how to show you how to make Chow Chow / mother-in-law. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.